What's up everybody, Dean Ellis from Dartech, and we're nearly done with the menu items. We have this one and one more to go. Okay, and what we're going to look at on this tutorial is Weblinks, the Weblinks category. Now, there it is here in the pop-up, right down second from the bottom, called Weblinks, and there's three links in the category. List all weblink categories, so list all weblinks in a category and submit a weblink. Now you notice that there may be a similarity between these layouts and possibly news feeds, where you have list all feeds categories, list all feeds in a category. So you'll find that the weblinks layout in Joomla is the same layout as a lot of the other components. So let's have a quick look at that. Incidentally, to have these links display, you need to have some data in your website. So let's go to just quickly news feeds. We have feeds and categories. We go down to what's another one? Tags. Oh, weblinks. We'll go to weblinks, and we have links and categories. Okay, same as there was another one here, I'm sure. Contacts. We have contacts and categories. So it's the same layout as the rest of the Joomla components. So basically, I'll explain how to put these in a little bit later on, but just to show you that I have some links in there, there's some data in there, some categories. I've got some categories there as well. Okay, I'll show you how to do all this sort of stuff in another tutorial. Okay, so back to our menus. I've created them already to actually get these into here. Basically, we hit the new tab, we hit select, and we go down to the weblinks and click on a menu item, just as we have with all the other tutorials that we've done in this series, and we play around with what we have here. So again, top level category, if you want to have, you can nest categories and have subcategories through your list. If you leave it at root, it'll display everything. If you put it into one of the categories you've selected, it'll display that category and all the categories that are underneath as subcategories for that particular category. I'm going to leave it at root so it displays all of them. Leave the access as public. We don't make it a default page because default pages, as we know, defaults this page as your home page. I'm going to put the parent item, put it into my weblinks subcategory, and then hit save and close. Okay, and now we have it in our list. And that's how you how you create your links under your web links. So I'm going to go to the front page now. I've already created all of them for this website. Right there, they are there. And we'll go through on what they look like on your front page. So let me just refresh. Here's my web links category menu here. If I click on it, it expands and the web link categories. We click on that, and there's your categories. Okay, we have the descriptions for each of the categories under the headings. That's pretty straightforward. And if you click on each of the headings, you'll be taken to the list of links inside that category. This information up here, don't worry about that. That is part of your settings in your component, in your options. If we can actually get rid of that by going into either components under web links and go to our global options. And we can remove from the list layout, we can hide the display select, and we can hide the filter field. We can get rid of the filter field by hitting hide. We save and close and go back into our page and refresh it, and it disappears. There it is there. So you can also do that from the menu. And again, as we said before, it lays out the menu is the last setting that your site will look at, and it will refer to the menu settings before it actually refers back to the global settings. All right, so the menu overrides all the settings on your website. Okay, going back to our home page, into web links, we go to category links. Okay, I've chosen sport, and there you have your sport items in here. Okay, again, you click on the link, it'll take you to the web page. There it is there. Okay, back to, you can set, by the way, you can actually set your category you want. If we go here, I went to sport. If I go into my my link, you see you can change your category here. If I pick fishing and go save and close, and I go back to the home page and select category links, okay, it brings up the fishing links. So that's how you set that and change that. And the last one is submit a link. Now this one, you have to be logged in for this one. If I log out and go to the home page, okay, it doesn't display. Now the reason I do that is you don't want to have this sort of form displayed for public viewing. Okay, otherwise you'll be spammed like crazy, and you won't have your website will be destroyed. So be very careful when you publish this one. It should be on a registered at the very lowest level of security on the registered. Otherwise you have at a higher level if you're creating members and things. And basically you put your title in, you put your category, whatever it is. Okay, your alias, you can leave that blank if you like. That'll generate from the title. The URL for the link that you're going to, you can put some tags in there if you like. So I highly recommend it because, again, as we said before, tags can be displayed from all sorts of website components. Okay, you can put your version note in there, whether it's published or unpublished, language, and a description of the link itself. Okay, so it's all pretty straightforward, and we can save and cancel and go on from there. Okay, and that's it for the web links. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the very last menu items tutorial. See you then.